Who know this? Yeah, man. Some salt mackerel. Yeah, man. I'll get this ready now. Hey guys, I have salt mackerel on the fire now. Yeah, man. I eat about 2 boil. Boil out some of the salt content. And then you watch how I prepare it. So stay tuned. Alright, guys. So the salt mackerel boil off. I'm going to throw off the water here now. Get some fresh one and eat a second boil, so stay tuned. Clean it up now, guys. Take out all of them bone there. Alright, guys, see it here now. I do another pot here now. Little oil. Alright. Yeah, man, that can work. When it's hot, now go see show time. I see this a sound there. Yeah, man, you can lock it. Some mackerel. Alright. Little black pepper. Yeah, man, see it here. See this? Vinegar. Yeah, man. Little tip. Yeah, man, that's about it. Alright, guys, see it here. Finish cooking now. Next time you see it, man, pull it in.